How to use Gamma AI to make presentations instantly. Now, imagine having a presentation due in an hour. Now, maybe it is for school, maybe it's for work, a client meeting, a business pitch, a project proposal. Now, normally you would spend hours in creating slides, choosing layouts, finding images, formatting texts, fixing design problems. But what if you could simply type create a presentation about the future of AI, and seconds later, a complete presentation appears? Titles, content, images, design, everything. Now, that is exactly what Gamma AI does. Gamma has become one of the most popular AI presentation tools because it can generate complete presentations, documents, and even websites from a simple prompt in under a minute. It can also export presentations to PowerPoint, PDF, and Google Slides formats. So in today's tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to use Gamma AI step by step, how to create professional presentations in minutes, and some powerful tricks that will make your presentations look far better than what most people actually create. So let's get started. Now, before we jump into the actual tutorial, let's understand what Gamma actually is. Now, Gamma is an AI powered presentation platform. Unlike traditional tools like PowerPoint, where you build every slide manually, Gamma lets you describe what you want and the AI creates the presentation for you. So, for example, you could type create a 10-slide presentation about climate change or create a startup pitch deck for a food delivery app or create a marketing strategy presentation for a coffee shop. Gamma then generates slide structure, content, layouts, visuals, formatting automatically. Now, that is why millions of students, professionals, and creators actually use it. Now, let's be honest. Most people hate making presentations, not because they're difficult, but because they are time consuming. The average presentation involves researching, organizing info, writing content, and designing slides. Now, Gamma removes most of that workload. So instead of spending hours formatting different slides, you focus on your ideas while Gamma handles the design work. Multiple reviews highlight Gamma's ability to generate polished presentations in under a minute. Now, for students, freelancers, business owners, and professionals, that is a huge productivity boost. So let's build our first presentation. What you're going to do is you're going to open gamma.app in your browser. From here, you're going to be creating a free account for yourself. You can usually sign up through Google, email, or other supported login options. Now, once you are actually inside, you will see your dashboard like this. Now, this is where all of your presentations, documents, and projects will be stored. The interface is extremely beginner friendly, and that is one reason Gamma has grown so quickly compared to older presentation software. Now is going to come the fun part. You're going to come right here where it says create new, and you're going to click it. Now, once you click upon that, depending on the current interface, Gamma will ask you what you want to create. So you can either generate a presentation from a one-line prompt, paste in text, or create from notes or an outline of existing content, create from template, where you can create using the structure or layouts from a template, or import file or URL, where you can enhance existing docs, presentations, or web pages. So let's say I'm going to go on generate. Now, once we go on generate, you'll see a prompt box. This is where all the magic is going to happen. Now, most beginners make one mistake. They give Gamma almost no info. So they're going to write something like create a presentation about fitness. Technically, it will work, but you will get generic results. Instead of that, write something like create a professional 12, or you can go with a presentation. Don't give it the slide number because that is automatically set, about fitness for busy professionals. And then we can write include workout strategies. And let's go with nutrition tips. Let's go with common mistakes and practical examples. So once you give it all of that, you can choose the number of cards that you actually want. Now on the free plan, the maximum slides you can create are 10. Then you can use the classic cards or the studio, where every card is a single image embedded with text. Now once everything is done, you can click on generate outline. And now once you have done that, Gamma is going to build the presentation. Basically, each slide will be pitched to you as so. And once it is pitched, you are simply going to go ahead and make any changes if you want to. Let's say I want to keep it minimal, and you can choose the design style you want to go with. Let's say I'm going to go with the founder. Image source, let's go with web images. And image license, let's go with the free to use ones, and click on generate. Now, once you click on generate, goes ahead and starts creating your presentation, and right in front of you, it's going to create it. Okay, so as you can see, it goes on, and this is about it. Now, the biggest thing Gamma changes isn't slide design, it is speed. Instead of spending hours formatting slides, you spend your time improving ideas. And that is why Gamma has become one of the fastest growing AI presentation platforms in recent years. The future of presentation is becoming less about design and more about communicating ideas. So, this is how you can use Gamma to make presentations instantly. The biggest takeaway is that don't think of Gamma as a presentation replacement. Think of it as a presentation accelerator. Let AI handle the boring formatting work. You focus on the actual message. So, once this is done, simply go ahead and export it from this section. And this is pretty much about it. So thank you for watching all the way till the end, and I'm going to be seeing all of you in the very next video. Have a great day. I'll see you next time. Goodbye.